Certainly me, peeps. What's up? It's me, John DeVillaro. Now, you know I love all the animals. You know I love the birds, and particularly the parrots, the macaws, all that type of stuff. Oh, and then we got some right over here. Scarlet macaws. These are different. We've got the red. We've got the blue. We've got the yellow over there. Incredible birds. The white faces, and you can see those beaks of theirs. Even the beaks are multicolored. These things are really smart birds, and they're very, very cool, beautiful. You know, and definitely love these kind of birds, and showing them off right here. Unbelievable.